Personal Capital Robo-advisor for investing honest review. Watch before using. Empower, previously known as Personal Capital, is a hybrid digital wealth management platform that combines automated investment strategies with access to a human financial advisor. It offers a suite of free financial management tools alongside personalized investment management service. And here are the key features about this platform, which is a hybrid advisor model and also a comprehensive financial tools with a dedicated financial advisors. And here are the pros and cons about this platform, which is talking about the pros. So one of the pros is a comprehensive financial planning and empower blend of automated and human advisor service, offered a true approach to financial planning suitable for clients seeking personalized strategy, and also a free financial management tools, which offer the platform a range of free tools for budgeting, retirement planning, and investment tracking, beneficial even for those who utilize the paid advisors. And here the downside about this platform, which is a high account minimum. Empower requires a minimum investment of 100,000 to access its wealth management service, which may be a prohibitive for some investors, and also a high management fee. The platform charge an annual management fee starting at 0.89% per portfolio up to $1 million, which is higher compared to some robo-advisors. And here the final conclusion: Empower stand out for its hybrid approach, combining automated investment management with a personalized financial advice. However, the higher amount minimum and management fee may not be suitable for all investors. Prospective clients should assess their individual financial needs and consider their Empower service aligned with their investment goal.